have a very limited influence back in China because the information control and everything else, everybody understand why. So I just want to ask Mr. President Pempa Tsarinla, do you have any strategies to have a breakthrough to approach the Chinese? His Holiness Dalai Lama has long supported reaching out to the Chinese, which I think is very wise. It's the key, one of the keys to the resolution of the Tibetan issue. So now, as far as I can see, is the Tibetans only reach a few dissidents, which have very limited influence back in China. So do you have any strategies that you can have a breakthrough in this regard? Thank you.
With the Chinese government or the Chinese people? Or the
Chinese people.
Dissidents, yeah.
Dissidents.
Okay. Now we all know, I have been saying this, that you have this Indian epic Ramayana. Okay, let me do away with that. It's okay. We have always said, yeah, when I go back to Ramayana, it reminds me of this Lakshman and Ram. Okay, I'll go back to my whole thing. I have always said, since this world came into being, Tibetans, Indians, Chinese, we're all neighbors.